Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 Ultra, and let me share with you how to use partial screen recording. So this option will be especially useful if you'd like to, for example, record the screen, but without the buttons right here, or without the status bar at the top, or if you'd like to exclude the area in which usually the notifications appear, etc. So this is great because you can simply record the part of the screen you want to. And all you need to do is to unroll the upper panel and open the quick settings. And here we need to find the screen recorder. So probably it will be right here, and if for some reason you do not have it here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon, tap on add control, and here in the capture section find screen recorder and tap on it. It will be immediately applied. So this is how it works. In my case, the screen recorder is right here, so simply tap on it to start, and your device will always show you this section, this information, this setting, whenever you'd like to start the screen recording, because as you can see now we can choose which area we want to record. So we can choose the full screen, which is a regular screen recording, or the partial screen, just by tapping on this option. We can also decide what kind of audio we want to record, so media, none, or media and microphone, and we can decide whether we want to show taps and touches. It's completely up to you. So if you're ready, just tap on start recording. We've set everything, and now we can decide which area we want to record. So we can just, change the position of this square, and the square will be recorded. And we can change the size of it just by using those white lines to extend the highlighted area. So I'd like to, I don't know, maybe record this one, something like that. So I would like to avoid this section where I usually get notifications, this section where I've got buttons. And if you've got everything set, just tap on record. Now we've got the countdown. You can skip it if you want to. And now we've got the recording started. So obviously you can just, open something, close something, record everything you want to. You can pause the video right here, or you can stop the video. I will stop it, and the recording has been saved. And as I said, if you will try to record again, your device will again show you this section, so you can, for example, now choose the full screen. And of course, just like in the regular screen recording, the video was saved in your gallery. So just open it, and here we've got our video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.